We're at 7423 Olympia Street. This is in Navarre and Holley by the Sea. Entering into the front door, we have our foyer. To the right, we have a formal dining area. To the left, we have a guest bedroom and a secondary living room. So we'll turn you around so you can see the front door here. Here is our secondary living area. This is on the front side of the home. So we have nice double window looking out into the front yard. And moving on, here is a guest bedroom. So this could be bedroom number 1, or it could be an office or a nursery. We have a good sized closet in here. It is a walk-in closet. This is the only room with wood flooring in the house. Heading back out. Now we'll go to the dining area. So we're passing our front door. Here's the formal dining area. Again, this is on the front side of the home. We have a double window looking into the front. And then we also have a doorway to our kitchen as well. So here is that kitchen space. We have a pantry on our right, fridge, stove, and dishwasher. We have some bar top seating as well, and then a breakfast bar or coffee bar area as well. And then here we have our living room. We do have vaulted ceilings, wood burning fireplace, and then our back door to our yard. Here is that kitchen again, and turning around so you can see the front door. Now this is a split floor plan, so we have our living room here in the center. To the left, we have our master suite. We have 2 bathrooms in the master. So this is on the back side of the home. We'll go to bathroom number 1 first. So this bathroom has a garden tub, a walk-in closet, separate vanity space, and then a private commode as well. Turning around here, we also have a linen closet. There's our commode space. We'll go to the other bathroom now. So crossing this master bedroom. This one also has a walk-in closet, and then we have a walk-in shower as well. And then we have our vanity and again, a private commode room. And turning around here, here is our closet space. Heading back out now, we're going back through the master bedroom. You can see our kitchen in front of us here. Now we're going to cross over. First on our right will be the laundry room and the 2-car garage access. And then here is bedroom number 3. We have carpeting in these bedrooms. We have a nice big closet. And this is on the right side of the home. Moving on. Next up is bedroom number 4. So this is on the back side of the home. Again, a very good sized bedroom, nice sized closet as well. Continuing on, here we have bathroom number 2. So this would be the guest bathroom. And then we have a tub shower combo here. Continuing on, we'll go back to the living area and we'll take you to the backyard. Exiting out our back door here, we have a nice good patio space here and then big yard. The yard is not enclosed, but it is private. It's a quiet street, goes all the way back to that tree line. And we'll come out and show you the back side of the home. Again, this is 7423 Olympia Street, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it online at BarronsPM.com.